Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day and welcome to my channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And let's start this video without any further ado. And yeah, be sure to watch this video until the end so you guys can know how you guys can enable your camera on Snapchat, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can solve this problem. So be sure to watch this video fully until the end, and let's start the video without any further ado. So the first thing to enable your camera on Snapchat basically means your Snapchat is asking for your permission if it can use your phone's camera or not. So it's basically asking for your permission. So basically what this looks like is if I go on Snapchat over here, and if you haven't enabled your camera, then it's gonna say, to use Snapchat, please allow access to your camera. Snapchat cannot take photos and videos without the permission. It's basically asking for our permission to use our phone's camera. So you can click on turn on and click on allow. So that's basically should fix it, and your camera should be usable like this. I can click a photo as well, and I can click on send to and send it to whoever I want like this. But if it still doesn't work, then what you can do is go out of Snapchat and hold on your Snapchat icon and click on app info. Once you click on app info, go on permissions, and as you guys can see, the camera icon over here, if it is turned off like this, make sure to turn it on. And after it's turned it on, then that's basically your phone giving Snapchat to permission to use its camera, and now you can use your camera like this as well. So that's basically it. So let me just click a photo and send it to a friend to prove it to you guys. You can use it. So yeah, as you guys can see, the photo has been sent to Avinav. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, feel free to ask us in the comment. We'll help you fix it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.